Everyone, today I have the smoke alarm and fire alarm set up with voice evac. So as you can see, we have the fire alarm, which is right here. This is the system sensor SBSW Special Alert Advanced Speaker Strobe in white. So as you can see right now, I only have the speaker wired up because it's connected to my dad's computer, and the strobe is not on right now because I have also that, and also I have the bat box rated connected to right here, and this will be sending off to the Firelight voice evac. And yeah, on to the next one. We got the kid. No, I don't know what this is. This is the smoke alarm, the one I always use. So I always put these right next to the exit signs, but it doesn't really matter. And move on here. I moved here to the Fire X smoke alarm. This one is really loud, so ignore it. So we'll be starting with the Firelight voice evac. So here we go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? The signal you have just heard indicates a report of a fire in this building. Please proceed to the nearest exit and leave the building. Do not re-enter the building unless directed to do so by the proper authorities.
And let me pause it. And move on here. We'll move on to test this. Please cover your ears because I might. Yeah, this is loose, so I hate it when it gets loose. Let's go. That was loud if I hit it. And this too. And let me go ahead and reset the system. Reset. Oh, one more thing. We're gonna do the Simplex and all the smoke alarm setup. This thing will be setting on Simplex. This one will be setting off these two alarms here. I'll pause it. I'll skip the ad. We don't need ads. Here goes. Another one. Oh, that's reset.
Attention. Attention. An emergency has been reported.
I can't hit these two of them.
Walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway.
Another one. Okay, it keeps not playing the message. Dude, the Simplex male voice evac. I don't know. I'm not. No. Here it goes.
Attention, attention, attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway.
Ready? Here's another one.
Attention, attention, attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Attention. Attention.
It keeps the okay.
Attention.
It does 3 voices at the same time.
All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Attention. 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 An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway.
So, I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.